My name is Kevin Sampron, and I'm the president of Spirit Paranormal Investigations. Spirit PI provides paranormal research to help with the advancement in the field of ghost study, and we find the Melting Pot to be one of the most actively haunted buildings in the state of Colorado. Down here in the basement area is one of the most active places for the building. We've had many personal experiences down here, including hearing disembodied voices, physical touching, and actually viewing physical objects moving on tables. The bathroom, the women's bathroom, also is one of the most actively haunted locations, so beware if you're ever using the middle stall in the ladies' restroom. We've also had many experiences just in this front room here with hearing disembodied voices of women, men, as well as an adolescent child that appears to be a boy.
It's gonna get better.
So one of the more interesting paranormal events that actually occurred here happened in the annex, which is the other site here down in the basement where they used to have the jail cells when the Littleton Police Department was in the basement. And what happened was we were doing our tour of terror here for Halloween 2009, and we were taking a group of guests down here in the basement to look for ghosts, when suddenly something slammed down on the table right in front of us. Okay, step back, it's okay. So I actually had one very interesting episode happen to me while I was standing in front of this room, which actually used to be the jail cells when the Littleton Police Department were in this building. And I was physically touched on my shoulder. I felt a very firm couple of taps. I turned around to see who it was, thinking it was one of my colleagues, and actually nobody was there. There's been some interesting paranormal activity that's occurred here while customers have been having dinner. There's been a few reports of people sitting down enjoying their wine when suddenly a glass of water or something spills over right on top of them, and the waiters will go clean it up, and a few minutes later the episode will happen again. And what's very interesting about that is usually the people that it occurs to seem to have a bit of a sensitivity to ghosts and the paranormal.